Is your PC crashing while gaming? Yeah. One minute you're in the middle of a game, and the next your system freezes or shuts down. Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix PC crashing issues while gaming in 2026. Make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements for the game. Low RAM CPU or GPU can cause crashes if your system can't handle the game. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a major cause of crashes. Go to your GPU manufacturer's website and install the latest drivers. Windows updates often fix compatibility issues. Go to Settings Arrow Update and Security Arrow Windows Update and install any pending updates. Overheating can cause your PC to crash mid-game. Use tools like HW Monitor or MSI Afterburner to check CPU and GPU temperatures. If temps are high, clean your fans, improve airflow, or lower game settings. A weak or failing power supply can crash your PC under load. Make sure your PSU meets the game's power requirements and is functioning properly. Close unnecessary programs running in the background. Apps like browsers, Discord, or streaming software can eat CPU, RAM, or GPU resources, causing crashes. If crashes happen in a specific game, use the game launcher to verify or repair files. Corrupted game files are a common cause of in-game crashes. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes PC crashing while gaming. Try them in order, and your gaming sessions should run smoothly without interruptions.